Happy morning, friends, and good wishes to my students. Today, I would like to discuss about positive attitude, positive thinking with you. Everyone should think positively so that they can develop positive attitude. And what is the meaning of positive thinking and how to develop positive attitude? Friends, when you think whatever you want, you can achieve, you can get it. That way of thinking is a positive thinking. It reflects optimism. Whatever you feel you want to achieve, that you can get it. Such way of thinking, you call it as a positive thinking. Fine. And a good example for positive thinkers, His Excellency President Abdul Kalam. He never thought negatively. So he wanted to become aeronautical engineer or pilot. Better than that, he became the designer of Agni missiles which could destroy the warplanes. Great person. He always think positively. In a similar way, Thomas Alva Edison never got disappointed, even though he was not able to invent the metal as a filament in an electrical bulb initially. So he failed many times, but he did not agree to say that there was a failure in his experiments. So he said he discovered 10,000 ways of working in knowing which metal is useful as a filament. Look at that. That is way of thinking. So always think positively, and to develop that positive thinking or positive attitude, it is better to follow certain principles, certain ways. Okay, first one is start your day with a positive affirmation. Yes, I have ability. I can do what I want in my life. And so I can achieve my goal. Doesn't matter what obstacles may come in the process. Because I have belief in my capabilities, I can crack, and so I can go through. So like that, you start your day with a positive affirmation. Second one, life is a battle where you will have to face a lot of failures and success. And when you get a failure result, learn a lesson from it and not to repeat it. So the second one is learn lessons from failure. Always smile. This is smiling. But when laughing is, with sounds it comes. When a person cracks a joke, you laugh. But smile is a facial expression with a bending of mouth upwards. So that is smile. So smile often and laugh more oftenly. So another important thing, so always take nutritious, healthy, balanced diet. Eat healthy food. Then have a sound sleep, minimum 7 hours sound sleep, a quality sleep. Do exercises every day, very importantly, and you should have a positive people around you. You should surround positive people around you, and don't keep negative thinkers around you. That will hamper your self-confidence, that will reduce your way of positive thinking. Always keep positive thinkers around you. Then be kind, help others. That will improve your positive thinking. So by following these type of principles, you can become the great positive thinker, and so you can develop positive attitude. Shubham Bhayat. Namaskar.